Okay, and then let's look at our organizational points here. So in terms of scenographics, looked like number two, Shadows on the Wall, was the big favorite or the bigger favorite. Number eight, which was Should I Stay or Should I Go, came in second, and then number five, Leaving the Cave. Number six, Blinded by the Light, and number nine, Descent, were also represented. What wasn't represented was Born and Raised in the Cave, right? This idea of the prisoner, the prisoners, right? So we are prisoners, right? We are born into a cave. We are not born into uh, the outside the cave in the light, right? We were born in a cave. We were born in something which is, um, a prison, and they even use the word prison uh, in it. So no one really got into that. I mean, that's a big assumption, right? That Plato is making, that we are born in a prison, that the world we see in front of us and we feel in front of us is a prison. It's not the real world, okay? So no one took that on. Um, Release of one, right? No one spoke to this, right? So you want to keep this in mind as well, right? This idea of release, right? Is if they're in a prison, right? The people are born in a prison in a cave. It's basically a prison story, right? And we have a lot of prison stories in our popular culture. Hollywood probably makes 20 prison movies a year, right? Because they're so great, right? They do such a great job of giving us a parable and giving us a thought experiment. But usually in a prison movie, right, the first thing that we have in a prison movie is the person is, first of all, unjustly put in the prison, and secondly, they want to escape. But does the prisoner, the one person here, escape, or are they released, right? And so no one took that on, but that's interesting. Struggle, four and five, kind of people took that on. Blinded by the Light, yes. No one really took on the big enlightenment sort of issue, right? Um, but we'll problematize that in a podcast to come. And then number 10, right? No one really got into that idea of when the prisoner comes back and is met by his former family and friends. So some people talked about this in general, but we really didn't get sort of hardcore sort of scenic analysis on those scenes that I just mentioned.